Hello everyone, my name is Pavol and I'm going to show you my idea how to save a couple of thousands of lives per year with use of the technology. Let's take a look. I was driving today on a highway on the way home and get this idea. In large shopping centers, airports or any crowded places, it's quite common to have the AED, and they are quite useful small machines which can save lives. They are actually stupid proof, so everyone can use them, and this alone is pretty amazing. We are living in the age where anyone can use a life-saving machine, which was just a couple of years ago designated only for skilled professional doctors. Okay, so if AEDs are so amazing, where is the problem? Well, there are just really few of them widely available, so I came up with the potential solution. If we want to do something sci-fi, we can attach AED to the quadcopter or drone, so this way we can send it anywhere needed. You can find some projects like this on Google, but let's move forward. Imagine a classic drone with 4 propellers, but from the bottom it may have simple mechanical claws, so it can land and hold on top of the streetlight shoulder. I made a few 3D renders for it, so you can imagine it better. And I'm sorry it's not animated, but my computer is not strong enough to handle that. So it sits on the top of the lamp and waits days or months. And thanks to the solar panel on top, it keeps the battery in the drone and AED charged. Now imagine you have a couple of hundreds or thousands of them. Okay, so project this situation. You are on a highway and those drones are spread every, let's say, 5 miles. So in case of accident, one is still just a minute or 2 away. Once needed, it will take off and reach the accident destination almost immediately, several times faster than an ambulance. And we all agree every second counts in this situation. This is of course not only for highways, but any roads, cities or villages. Anywhere where the public lights are, and that's basically everywhere. From the tech side, the main components are AED, drone, battery, solar panel, 4G or 5G module. So the main advantages are it's fast, it's cheap, it's out of reach of vandals, so you don't need any access codes to the cabinets, and also it reduces cost as you don't need to install it in special cabinets with these access codes and everything, and it can be basically installed everywhere without real installation in a couple of minutes. So how it will work? There are 2 ways how it may work. First is operated by a human operator, and the second one is autonomous. Let's talk about the cost. Normal AED usually costs between 750 to up to 2,000 pounds. So let's assume we can push the price for the manufacturing, so let's say it will be 300 pounds, and all another drone parts can be another, let's say, 200 pounds. So altogether it can cost as little as 500 pounds per piece. Let's say we want to cover all London with those drones. Let's also say, according to the battery, we need 1 drone to cover 5 square kilometers. And London has 1572 square kilometers. That means 1572 divided by 5, that's around 315 drones. That's 315 drones multiplied by 500, that's 500,000 pounds to cover the whole London with AEDs. That's just the cost of 1 ambulance van. So that's basically for free, and even if we double that price, I mean, let's say 1 drone can cost 1,000 pounds instead of 500, so that's 315,000 pounds to cover whole London. Of course the price will be much higher because you need these drone operators and all the infrastructure, but even if it's like £1 million to cover the whole London, I mean, that's just price of one house in London, so not a big deal. And for perspective, in the UK they are around 30,000 cardiac arrests per year. So let me know if you think this may potentially make sense or if I'm totally wrong, but I think this may be pretty good because it's quite simple actually. It's not the rocket science, it can be deployed within months, so let me know.